What's up everybody, welcome back to another daily video. In today's video, hopefully maybe shoot a little bit of flames or do some popping or something crazy with the Nissan GT-R. If you guys have not been following along, I recently did the full Armytrix straight pipe exhaust system. So this is a full straight pipe catless insane car. AAM Competition and I have been dialing in the stage 3 tune, that way everything runs properly, and then of course I have the 1050 Injector Dynamics fuel injectors in the car. So this thing is a full stage 3, practically full bolt-on car. The first tune that AAM sent me, everything ran really good, and then we've dialed it in just a little bit just to make sure everything is absolutely perfect. And with the car running now and the access port on, I changed out my dials the way I used to have it. So I have my air-fuel ratio for left and right on the top, and then fuel flow and duty cycle for the injectors, and then we have the intake air temperature, and then my map. So I've been running map 2 quite a bit. That's just the normal 20 psi full boost crazy one with all the normal tuning. It runs really smooth, full acceleration, everything rips really good. That's the tune that I was actually running when I made the first reaction of the straight pipe exhaust, my first real drive with it, tuned, everything done. And then playing with the pop and bang one so far, it is a little bit weird watching the air fuel ratio because it goes down to like 10 sometimes just because it dumps a lot more fuel, and under downshifts, which we're going to get to in just a second, it'll pop like 3 times. Again, I don't know what it looks like because I haven't had a camera back there, but we're going to do a data log run in that setting, the pop and bang map. Basically a third gear from like 2,000 up to about 6,000, and when I let off the gas I need to leave it in third gear, that way he can monitor how the fuel injectors are doing under that type of load and deceleration. Alright, we are in race mode everything, comfort mode suspension, race mode exhaust manual mode, the exhaust camera is rolling. So we are in map 2, which is the full 20 psi normal running tune. Do a smaller acceleration, not full throttle yet. Wow, well that was 55, a lot quicker than I expected. And of course it's raining now, I did not expect that. Okay, well now it's downpouring, you can hear that. Luckily the GoPro is waterproof on the back. My goodness. So that was one little cloud that we just went under, and now we're not raining. Okay then. I'm so glad that is a waterproof GoPro. Oh my gosh, it is so weird this weather today. So then now by hitting cancel and going up once, now we're in map 3 on the downshifts. It should pop and gurgle a little bit. Right there, that's like a 10 air fuel ratio, so it's very rich. Then if I let off, I heard some pops there. So third gear now, we are data logging. So I was up to 5,000. We'll do a small deceleration and downshifts. So I know we heard some pops there. Alright, so now we are in third gear and we're going to do a data log run. Alright, well that was it. Second gear, or third gear from 2,000 RPM up to almost red line. any flames or anything. We'll see if we're shooting flames. I do not know. I can't really tell at all. But we're going to go back into map number 2 now. That is just the normal running smoothly and do a few accelerations. But we are trying to dial in some flames on the car because that will be cool. Not to say I'm going to do that everywhere I go driving in the car, but it will be pretty cool to have that capability. Oh my goodness. Yeah, once it's in the normal tune again, it just drives so good. And I haven't really messed with the other ones. Like if I go to map number 4, so this is valet mode 8 PSI, stock is 13. So this, needless to say, is not a powerful one at all. That was 50 to 60 in 4th gear, like, that took a long time. And then back into map 2, the same thing, 50. Wow. Alright, so since we still have the GoPro on the back, we're going to go back to map number 3. See what kind of things it'll do on a back road now with some turns. It runs so different doing that, it's so weird. So that is enough of the pop and bang map just to see how it runs. Hopefully we got a good data log run so they can fine tune it. Hopefully we got some flames back there too. But that's definitely a really rich fuel tune. Like you can tell it's dumping fuel. The car runs totally different. But back in the normal one, it's nice to get back into the normal tune just because the car is so crisp running. Acceleration, the power delivery, everything is just really, really smooth. Alright, so that wraps up the data log runs. Got the access port out of the car. Hopefully you guys have been following along with the wrap on Mike's R8. It is looking insane. How you doing today? What are you doing?
Good. We're putting the car back together, like 90% of the way there.
Okay.
So working on finishing up the bumper, waiting on more vinyl.
Sweet.
Get this out on the road.
Seriously, in person, it looks so cool. I've never seen a car like this. I've never.
It's the craziest wrap R8 on the internet.
Heck yeah, it's better than Dave's car, I think.
Yeah.
Because we did it ourselves.
True.
We did it ourselves for less than $200. And honestly, it's very satisfying to work on your own car yourself because it's awesome. Not to hate on their car, but you know, we love doing things ourselves. It makes it more fun. So anyway, access port, and we'll show you guys how to do this. If you are a GT-R owner, you already know how to use the COP access port. So I have the plug right here. We're just gonna plug it in real quick, and then it's gonna come to life. And what you're going to need from Cobb's website, polarizer, hold on. There we go, is their access port manager. Just download that right from their website, super easy to do. And then if you guys have noticed, my office has changed a little bit. We got the green screen back here. I think I still might move stuff, so we're not quite sure. But then access port manager will come right up, and there is my one tune, the AAM stage 3. And then what we're going to do right here, I believe you're gonna click on data logs. A few of these are the older ones I did, so I need to remember which ones I did today. I want to say it's probably these few. So double checking with my emails to Mike at AAM. I've already done 1, 2, and 3. Those are my first batch of data logs, and then I sent some more that were 4, 5, and 6. So looks like then 7, 8, 9, and then 10 and 11. Those are all from today. So I'm gonna go ahead and email those data logs over to Mike at AAM Competition, and he's gonna run everything, make sure everything is running really smooth, fine tune it, and hopefully make this thing shoot some flames, pop and bang, make some fun noises. But I think that is gonna wrap up today's video. We're gonna walk back outside, see how Mike's doing on the R8. But that is it for data logging the car, hopefully trying to shoot some flames. How's it going out here?
Good, we got music going.
All right, no more copyright stuff. Anyway guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Give it a huge thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, check out new merchandise in the description below. We'll see you guys next video.